Um, you guys see all the scenes before. It's my bedroom. It's a favorite place for cats, and I have 7 cats. So on purpose, I put bed cover, dark color bed cover. I think maybe 3 days or 2 days, and I let my cats donate the fur. It means they will play. As you know, my bed, I have to cover. The bed cover is not for decoration, but I have to cover my pillow and everything. So forget about some decoration on my bed. Everything has to cover. And I put double cover, this time on top with dark color, so you all can see how much fur on my bed. Before this video, I made a video about vacuum mattress, and I'm happy about that. It sucked a lot of debris from my bed, like dust or something. But not all fur will go away or suck every fur, especially a big clump. So when I saw in Amazon about this is CHOMP CHOMP roller, like this. This is still in a pack. I bought it right away. So now I will show you the review about this. I watched a lot of YouTube videos about this CHOMP CHOMP roller before I start to buy. So let's go. We start the cleaning process. Chom Chom roller. You can see I still need to clean, but this is so much cleaner than before. So that's it, my video, a review, honest review about this Chom Chom roller, and we see again in the next video. Bye.